Forget takeout. Think homemade mini pizzas are too tricky? Think again. I'm here to share the easiest, most forgiving recipe that packs huge flavor with zero stress. Guaranteed. In just a few fun steps, you will be whipping up incredible mini pizzas like a pro. Let's dive in and make pizza magic. Please, try this at home. Oh. All right, friends, let's grab our super simple ingredients for 6 delicious mini pizzas. First, you'll need 500 grams of flour. I love bread flour, sometimes called strong flour, like Manitoba, for that extra chewy crust and easy to work dough. It's my secret weapon. But here's the best part. Regular all-purpose flour works perfectly too. These mini pizzas will still be crazy delicious and totally rock that homemade vibe. No matter what flour you've got, bread or all-purpose, you're golden. Let's keep going. Next, our lineup for pizza perfection. 335 grams of water. Plain tap water does the trick. 50 grams of salt, key for flavor. 50 grams of extra virgin olive oil for richness and great texture. Now, the star that makes our dough rise. I'm using 100 grams of active, bubbly sourdough starter for that amazing tangy flavor. No starter? No problem. This recipe is super flexible. Swap in 12 grams of fresh yeast, or 6 grams of active dry yeast, or 4 grams of instant dry yeast. Any option will puff up your mini pizzas beautifully. Ready, my friends? Let's mix. Grab a big bowl, pour in the water and the sourdough starter. If you're using commercial yeast, take 70 to 100 grams of the total amount of water and dissolve it before mixing. Then add the salt, then the olive oil. Give it a quick swirl. I love my Danish whisk for this. It's dough-friendly, but a spoon or spatula works just as well. Easy is the name of the game. Dump in all the flour at once. Mix until it's a shaggy dough. No dry flour bits left. No heavy kneading needed. Just combine it like this. Now, a simple step that is a game changer. Cover the bowl. Use a plate, a shower cap, or a kitchen towel and let it rest for 30 minutes. This lets the flour soak up the water and the yeast get going. See you in 30, my friends. Okay, 30 minutes done. Look how our dough is coming together. Time for the fun part. Hands on. No fancy mixer needed. We'll knead by hand for 5 to 10 minutes to build that gluten for a chewy, perfect crust. Pull the dough away with your hand. Fold it back. Repeat. Pull, fold, turn. You'll feel it go from shaggy to smooth and springy. Gluten magic in action. Aim for soft, slightly bouncy, and smooth. 5 to 10 minutes does it. No stress if it's not perfect. Now, my no-fail trick to ace fermentation. Double in size? Sounds easy, but it's tough to judge in a bowl. Here's the fix, my dear bakers. Take a small chunk of dough and pop it into a clear, straight-sided glass or jar. Pat it down gently. Mark the starting level with a rubber band or marker. This dough spy shows exactly how much your dough rises. No guesswork. Forget about exact timings like let it rise for 2 hours you see online. Your kitchen temperature and yeast are unique. This method lets your dough tell you when it's ready. For mini pizzas, we want a 50 to 75% rise, not doubled. That keeps the dough lively for shaping and baking. Shape the main dough into a smooth ball. See how nice it is now? Pop it back in the bowl. Cover both. Set them in a warm spot and let our spy tell us when we hit the 50 to 75% increase. This first rise is a foolproof with our helper. While our dough and spy rise, let's make a quick, tasty tomato sauce. Super easy. Grab 2 garlic cloves. Give them a light crush with your knife, then peel. That unlocks big flavor. Get about 700 grams of tomato sauce. Supermarket stuff works great. No fancy imports needed. A pinch of salt, dried oregano for aroma, and a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. Pour the sauce in a bowl, drop in the garlic, sprinkle salt and oregano to taste. Drizzle the oil. Mix it up. Taste it. Need more salt or oregano? Adjust it to your liking. Easiest pizza sauce ever, my friends. Cover and set aside. Look at this. Our dough spy says we are at 50 to 75%. Perfect. The main dough is puffy and gorgeous too. Gently tip the dough out. If it's sticky, a tiny flour sprinkle helps. Divide into 6 mini pizza bases. Weigh the dough and divide by 6 for precision, or eyeball it. Half, then each half into 3. Both ways work for these easy pizzas. Gently tuck edges over to make balls or thick discs. Keep them neat. Cover loosely with a towel. Let them rest 1 more hour. This relaxes the dough for light, airy crusts. Timer on, and we're almost there, my friends. Okay, our dough pieces rested and look amazing, soft and puffy. Line a tray with parchment paper. Take a dough piece. Gently flip it upside down onto the tray to keep airness. Wet your fingertips and super gently stretch it to your mini pizza size. Light touch. Don't squash those bubbles we built. Shape them and space them out. Grab that yummy sauce. Spoon a generous layer of tomato sauce over each pizza base. Cover well. This bakes in flavor. Pop the tray into a preheated oven at the bottom rack at 250 degrees Celsius or 480 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes. The bottom rack crisps the crust perfectly. Watch them. Ovens vary. While they bake, cut fresh mozzarella into small chunks. First bake is done. Look at this. Puffy, fragrant, and ready. Now, the grand finish, friends. Add another dollop of sauce. Sprinkle mozzarella generously. Then drizzle extra virgin olive oil. Trust me, it's magic. Back in at 250 degrees Celsius or 480 degrees Fahrenheit. Top rack this time. Near the grill if you have one for 5 to 7 minutes. Get ready for bubbly, golden, cheesy goodness. And there you go. No-fail mini pizzas from your own kitchen. Ah, that crust, that cheese, pure bliss. Oh my God, so good. Perfect for parties, quick dinners, or anytime you crave pizza without the hassle. My friends, if you find this useful, please give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more easy recipes and hit that bell. Drop your favorite mini pizza topping in the comments. I can't wait to hear. Thanks for joining me. Happy pizza making. See you in the next one. Ciao!